Oh yeah. I love the color of these though. This is a really beautiful bake. Smirnoff Ice Pink Lemonade Cocktail. Watch this, homeboy. Okay, so you want to pop these? Now we have to pour some out, okay? Check this out. Oh, perfecto. Now first thing you want to do, you want to get a couple raspberries in here. So we're doing both at once. Raspberry. Probably like 2, right? Helps if your raspberries smaller, they get in easier, okay? Now you need some strawberries. Got my knife? Check this out. So I come in here, get rid of that. Thin slices, guys. One small, one big. So a little small one, get her in there. Big one, get her in there. Small first. Come behind big next. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now let's come behind this. Some lemon. Now check this out. Lemon you could do the cool stuff with because you can fold the lips and just squeeze it down. Okay, now I didn't add a bunch of fruit. So you guys are going like, what's next? Well, we got strawberries in us. How about a little bit of strawberry vodka for both of them? 1, 2, 1, 2. We got lemon in there, right? How about a little bit of lemon vodka? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now we got raspberries in there, right? Well, how about a little bit of raspberry vodka? 1, 2, 1, 2. Now one of you watching this going like, Sky, who has all that alcohol on her? I get it, homeboy. You only gotta use regular vodka if you want, or rum, or gin, or who cares? Just pour something in. Okay, now we coming over the top with some pink lemonade. Just to fill us out, you see? Right there. Now I can put my fingers here. Oh yeah. I love the color of these though. This is a really beautiful bake. Okay. And there you have it, the Smirnoff Ice Pink Lemonade Cocktail. Now guys, the pink lemonade Smirnoff is hard to find, okay? I don't know if they copying pink with me. I don't know. All these dudes going pink, okay? I don't go pink. I go blue. Coming soon. Sit tight. That's a little hint. Something's coming. Something big, and it's gonna be blue. So, you know, a little food coloring, homeboy, and you got Smirnoff Ice Pink Lemonade, all right? Okay? No, Sky, but it has such a unique taste. Homeboy, okay? What are you trying to do? Huh? Enter a tasting competition or something where you got some, okay, extremely advanced palate? Homeboy, just drink the thing and shut up, okay? Go play Nintendo. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, okay? Nintendo players. I'm more of a Fortnite guy. It's been a while though.